Congratulations, Wales cap safely tucked away. You enjoy it?
Yeah, obviously it was brilliant to make my debut tonight, especially in front of the home crowd, and to get the 3 points is always another great boost as well.
Wasn't the greatest of performances, but you did get that win.
Yeah, of course. Playing against teams like that is frustrating, especially when they sit off. But obviously we switched off a goal, but the character the boys shown to win the game was exceptional, and we're just glad to get over the line, and hopefully it can give us confidence into the next game.
Obviously, the 3 points is the main thing. We got them. We'd have loved to have done it a bit more. With a bit more comfort, but we got them.
These are always tough teams to play. We've played these in the past many years ago, and we know they frustrate you. Technically a very good side, probably don't get given the credit for how good they are technically, but for us the main thing is we've got 3 points tonight, and get that momentum going for the next few games coming up.
What did Ryan Giggs tell you before you came on? What were the instructions?
Just said go and express myself, go and dribble, take people on, and that's what I try to do. That's my main part of my game, and he's given me the licence to go and do that. And I really enjoyed playing in a bit of a deeper role and committing people today. So I felt comfortable there next to Joe.
I think against Slovakia we were touch and go. We were decent in patches, and obviously the two disappointing games in the summer we weren't at our best, and tonight we weren't at our best again. So I think there's still a lot to come. We've got a lot of talented players, in the squad, and hopefully things click sooner rather than later, and we can get things going and get some momentum.
Yeah, I think you've got to keep believing. The crowd have turned up in big numbers to come and support us, and we had to keep going to the end, and they kept, cheering us on, and eventually it came, and we ran at the moment. It obviously pops up and scores, so it shows that even when we don't play our best football, we can still get wins, and there's a lot to work on for sure.